So right here we have the Mirka 3-inch polisher. And this might just be the best 3-inch polisher in the world. It might just be the best polisher, period. It's really expensive, it's really high end, but I'm telling you, once you get your hand on this thing, you will know exactly why it's worth every single dollar. So you probably haven't heard of Mirka before. They make sanders, sanding pads, polishers for really high-end body shop and woodworking shops. But once we got our hands on this, I'm telling you, it really is super special. The reason we like it so much is because, I mean, you can just hear, it's super quiet, the button is super tactile. I mean, it ramps up to full speed instantly. It's a variable trigger, and I'm telling you, this thing is magical to use. It does not make a lot of noise. It really does not vibrate at all. It's honestly pretty shocking how smooth it is. And the other thing is that it has power for days. You can pretty much put your whole body weight into this thing and it will not bog down. Now that's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because you can get through much bigger panels, you can put a lot more force down. It's a bad thing that if you're not as skilled of a detailer, you might burn through some paint, so definitely be careful with this. But that leads us pretty well into who is this polisher for. So this is not for everybody. The price tag is pretty high, it's over $800 for this specific unit, and with that being said, it's only really for people who are very, very serious about having the best, or professional detailers who, again, want the best possible equipment. For 99% of people, the Rupes 3-inch right here is going to be more than enough. This is still a phenomenal polisher, but I'm telling you, you can just hear the difference between these two. So you can hear that motor running, and you can hear that one running. I mean, you could audibly hear this in another room. You can't hear this from 4 feet away. So there you have it. This is sort of a unique machine. It finds itself in an interesting spot in our store. It's not for everybody, but for those of you who really need or want the best, this thing will change your whole world. When you get this, it comes with the polisher itself, 2 batteries, a charger, a couple of manuals, things like that. It has a really good warranty on it, so it's 2-year warranted from the manufacturer. If you register it through their app, you get an additional 1-year warranty in it. Additionally, the app that comes with this, so it's Bluetooth connected, has some really cool features in there. You can set your RPMs exactly where you want it. It'll give you some numbers about how long you're using it, how many hours you're running it for, vibration through your hands. It's really, really impressive and well done from Mirka. You can get this polisher along with all the other polishing accessories you need in our store at Obsessed Garage. And if you have any questions about this or any other polishing related things, let us know in the comments or reach out directly to support@obsessedgarage.com.